Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated impact wrenches. If you spend much time on auto repair or DIY projects that involve repetitive tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts, you'll likely know how tiring those movements can be on your hands and wrists. An impact wrench is a handheld tool designed to make quick work of the task, sparing you a great deal of strain. In this video, we provide you with the top 7 rated impact wrenches you can use during DIY sessions. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings on the impact wrenches that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first impact wrench on our list is the AVID Power Impact Wrench. This tool is not only suitable for removing tires from cars, commercial vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, and trailers, but can also be used for automotive repairs, major construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, or product assembly. Its cordless measures 16.57 by 14.09 by 3.82 inches, weighs 4 pounds, and boasts a brushed finish available in red and blue colors. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AVID Power Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. It's equipped with a high-spec, powerful motor that provides maximum productivity by removing rusted-on or over-tightened nuts and bolts. The max tightening torque is 3,983 inch-pounds, and the max loosening torque is 4,465 inch-pounds. Variable speed trigger. With a variable speed trigger, you can very easily control the speed of your wrench from 0 to 2,000 revolutions per minute. Bright LED light. Its bright LED light will enhance visibility in dark working areas. Fast charging. With a fast charger, this rechargeable 20-volt 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery can be fully charged within 1 to 2 hours. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it gets hot quickly, which might cause unnecessary panic at times. The second impact wrench on our list is the DEWALT Impact Wrench. For those just starting out or who want to buy an all-inclusive starter package that includes the battery, charger, and carrying bag, this wrench kit deserves attention. Designed for comfort and power, the DEWALT DCF 889 M2 packs a punch and has all the high-end features that you would want in a wrench kit. It has an all-metal gearing for efficient power transmission with an aluminum front housing that provides greater heat dispersion, increasing motor life. In terms of size, it measures 17.13 by 5.88 by 9.75 inches and has a 5.44-pound weight. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Impact Wrench a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. This impact wrench performs a wide range of heavy-duty fastening applications with 400 inch-pound of maximum torque. LED light. It helps with visibility and the elimination of shadow when working in dark environments. Variable speed trigger. You can control the speed from 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute to match multiple applications. Ergonomic handle. The textured anti-slip comfort grip provides comfort and greater application control. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit heavy and might wear you down. The third impact wrench in our list is the Makita Impact Wrench. Makita engineers succeeded in packing a lot of power and features into this diminutive wrench, making it the ideal tool when working in tight spaces. You'll also love its dual LED work lights with pre-glow and afterglow to help illuminate the work area, and its super efficient brushless motor that eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the motor to run cooler and more efficiently for a longer life. Overall, it has a fairly compact design, measuring 7.75 by 21.75 by 11.5 inches and weighing 7.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Impact Wrench a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. It boasts 740 foot-pounds of max torque and up to 1,180 foot-pounds of nut-busting breakaway torque. It allows you to generate faster speeds and more powerful energy output without putting as much stress on the motor. 3-speed selection switch. This feature provides precise fastening control for a wide range of applications. Plus, the device produces speeds of up to 2,200 revolutions per minute, making it one of the fastest and most efficient tools you could invest in. Long battery life. You'll also be able to work longer thanks to the energy efficiency technology. They help the battery have a 50% longer runtime than other standard models. Easy to use. It features a 1/2-inch anvil with a friction ring for quick and easy socket changes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, its battery and charger are sold separately, so a full kit gets costly. The fourth impact wrench on our list is the portable cable impact wrench. Just because a tool isn't expensive doesn't necessarily mean it's low on power or performance. Porter Cable makes a powerful and affordable line of tools. Its PCC 740 impact wrench Measuring 9.9 by 3 by 7 inch is an ideal tool for removing lug nuts in commercial vehicles, as well as quickly changing out nuts and bolts on lightweight items such as furniture, shelving, and door hinges. This impact wrench is lightweight at only 6 pounds and is designed with chemical-resistant housing for automotive-friendly settings. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Porter Cable Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. Its powerful motor produces 260 foot-pounds of torque for heavy applications. High speed. It has a maximum speed of 1,650 revolutions per minute for driving large fasteners quickly. Variable speed control. Speaking of speed, it has a full variable speed trigger designed for precision control. Ergonomic grip. The overmold grip is intended to provide comfort during heavy work. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the sockets are difficult to put on. The 5th impact wrench in our list is the Ingersoll Rand Impact Wrench. This wrench is protected inside a steel-lined aluminum hammer case that's both sturdy and heavyweight at 13.9 pounds, with 15 by 9.9 by 5.6 inch dimensions. The chemical-resistant housing protects the tool from repeated drops, fluids, and chemicals. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ingersoll Rand Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: LED light. The wrench boasts a shadowless LED light ring with a task light mode and 4 dimmable settings to enhance visibility and adjust the light as you'd like. Powerful motor. The powerful motor and impact mechanism delivers 1,500 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of max torque, delivering the best-in-class power-to-weight ratio. IQV Intelligent Control System. This control system includes full and half power modes, as well as 2 modes with automatic shutoff. Long battery life. The tool is run by 5 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, so you can enjoy the freedom of going wireless. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's heavy. You'll definitely need to get used to it. The 6th impact wrench in our list is the CRAFTSMAN Impact Wrench. Despite its low price, this air impact wrench is capable of producing up to 1,700 revolutions per minute and has a long-lasting, resilient build. It has dimensions of 12.75 by 2.86 by 9.79 inches. It is an ideal impact wrench if you already have an air compressor at home and want an affordable impact that won't see a lot of heavy use. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to use. It has a max of 350 foot-pounds torque for faster work and a hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. LED light. Its LED light will enhance visibility in dark working areas. Fast charging. It uses a 4 amp-hour capacity lithium battery for extreme runtime in heavy-duty applications. It also comes in an included fast charger that recharges the high-capacity lithium battery in 60 minutes or less. Variable speed trigger. The speed can be adjusted for better control and to keep up with the demands of your task. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit heavy. The 7th impact wrench in our list is the Milwaukee Impact Wrench. This polished 16 by 10 by 5 inch wrench from Milwaukee has 4-mode drive control, which allows unmatched control in various fastening applications. The cordless high-torque wrench has a 4-mode drive control with bolt removal that makes it a stellar choice for serious weekend warriors. Plus, it comes with a bag so you can store your equipment. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Milwaukee Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. From assembling furniture to removing stubborn lug nuts in vehicles, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby Impact Wrench can handle almost any job. LED lighting. Its LED light will make it easier to see in dimly lit environments. Variable speed trigger. The speed can be adjusted for better control and to keep up with the demands of your task. Ergonomic handle. The textured anti-slip comfort grip provides comfort and greater application control. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a bit small, which makes it a bit harder to grip. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated impact wrenches, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next impact wrench roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.